Replacing windows in your Talladega home is a valuable investment that can improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and increase property value. However, many homeowners encounter setbacks simply because they overlook key planning and installation details. To ensure your project goes smoothly, here are the most common mistakes to avoid. Choosing the wrong type of window. One of the first missteps is selecting windows based solely on appearance rather than performance and suitability for Talladega's climate. The region experiences hot summers, mild winters, and occasional severe weather, meaning you need materials and designs that can handle temperature fluctuations, resist UV damage, and provide strong insulation. How to avoid it? Research window frame materials, like vinyl, fiberglass, or treated wood, and glazing options designed for energy efficiency in the Southeast. Consider features like double-pane glass with low-E coatings to reduce heat transfer. Ignoring energy efficiency rating. Some homeowners prioritize price or style but forget to check Energy Star ratings or U-factor and solar heat gain coefficient (SHGC) values. Without the right specifications, you may face higher energy bills and reduced indoor comfort. How to avoid it? Always review performance ratings before purchase. In Talladega, look for a lower U-factor to keep heat inside during cooler months and an SHGC appropriate for blocking excess summer heat. Measuring incorrectly. The accurate measurements are critical. Small errors can lead to drafts, water infiltration, and costly adjustments. A common mistake is relying on rough estimates or measuring only once. How to avoid it? Measure the window opening in multiple spots, width, height, and depth, and take the smallest measurement to ensure a snug fit. If you're unsure, have a professional take precise measurements before ordering. Attempting a DIY installation without experience. While DIY projects can save money, window replacement requires skill to ensure proper sealing, alignment, and insulation. Poor installation can lead to moisture problems, air leaks, and even structural issues. How to avoid it? If you lack experience, hire a certified window installer familiar with local building codes. Professionals can also help spot hidden issues, like damaged frames or rot, before they worsen. Overlooking the importance of sealing and insulation. Even the best window won't perform well without proper sealing and insulation. Skipping this step can cause drafts, reduce energy efficiency, and invite moisture into your home. How to avoid it? Use high-quality caulking and weather-stripping materials, and ensure insulation fills any gaps between the frame and wall. Expanding foam insulation can be particularly effective for sealing larger spaces. Not considering long-term maintenance. Some homeowners choose window materials without thinking about upkeep. For example, untreated wood frames may look beautiful but require regular painting or sealing to prevent damage. How to avoid it? Select materials that match your maintenance preferences. Vinyl and fiberglass often require less upkeep, while aluminum and wood may need more frequent attention. Forgetting to match style and architecture. Installing windows that clash with your home's design can hurt curb appeal and resale value. How to avoid it? Choose window styles that complement your home's architecture. For example, double-hung windows often work well in traditional homes, while casement or picture windows can enhance modern designs. Ignoring local building codes and permits in Talladega, certain renovations require permits, especially if you're changing window size or location. Skipping this step can lead to fines and delays. How to avoid it? Check with your local building department before starting the project. Professional installers typically handle permitting, ensuring everything complies with regulations. Rushing the project timeline. Trying to replace all windows in one day or cutting corners to finish quickly can compromise quality. How to avoid it? Allow adequate time for each step: removal, preparation, installation, and finishing. Weather conditions can also affect scheduling, so plan accordingly. Final thought. A successful Talladega window replacement project requires careful planning, the right materials, and professional expertise. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure your investment delivers improved comfort, energy savings, and lasting beauty for your home. A little extra attention now can prevent costly repairs and ensure your windows perform at their best for years to come.